Hello students, in last few videos I have finished your question number 5, that is diagram, graph, tables based. Then we have discussed the objectives also from your question bank, board question bank. Now in this video I am going to cover question number 2A, which carries 6 marks. One more thing I want to clear with you is that I have already done two videos on it. One is based on your textual part and another is general things I have discussed with you from your textbook only. So please see those two videos also, those are also important. Now in this video we are going to discuss all question bank, whatever question number 2A they have given all question bank questions. Okay, so let's begin with that. Total we had to attempt 3 questions. They will provide us 5 questions. From that we are going to attempt 3 questions. Each question carries 2 marks, 1 mark for identifying the concept and 1 mark for explaining that concept. Okay, and remember students, it's for just 2 marks, so don't write 1 and 2 pages. It's just hardly for it will take it will write you're going to write only 4 to 5 lines, maximum 7 to 8 lines, but please don't write lengthy answer for just 2 marks. Okay, so let's begin with that. First is Mala collected information about the income and expenditure of 25 families from her locality. Now, if you remember in the textbook, in the first chapter, there is one example, Gauri collected information. So it matches somewhat. This is microeconomics concept. You can say study of individual economic units, slicing method. More appropriate answer is microeconomics, but still other two are also okay. What I have done in the explanation, I have written whatever, but microeconomics we know it deals with the small units, whole, not with the entire economy. So it talks about individual consumer, individual producer. All these things will be covered under that. Okay, you can take the screenshot of it. Next, Ramesh analyzed the total investment, total employment, total. Once the total word comes, we come to know that it is related to macroeconomics. So, what I will do, I will, as a concept, I will write macroeconomics, and for the explanation, I will say it is concerned with the concept aggregate demand, aggregate supply, total output, general price level, national income, etc. So in the last I will try to match it with again the concept. See, concept I have written, then in the explanation I have written 2 to 3 lines about that concept, and again the whatever the case they have given, I am trying to match it with that concept. Okay, this is the way to present the answer. Next, Rohan created, just a second, Rohan created a jewelry box. See, he has created a jewelry box out of piece of wood. एक piece of wood होता आणि त्याच्यात त्याने convert करून he has created jewelry box. So we can say that it is a form utility. We know what is form utility. In 2-3 lines we will explain it. When the size, shape of the existing commodity changes and its utility rises or increases, we call it as form utility. Next, Kavita consumed an additional. Whenever we say last unit, additional unit, it will be marginal utility. And write the definition or concept of marginal utility in 2 to 3 lines. It is nothing but the addition made, additional derived by a consumer from an additional unit of a commodity consumed. Next, Kaushik purchased 10 kg. So this type of question can have two answers also. Like someone will say it's a demand. Obviously, it's a demand. He's purchasing. He knows the money. But I will write individual demand, because we know that individual demand is what? It is a demand by a single particular person. So I have written individual demand and 2 to 3 lines of individual demand. Take a screenshot of it. Aman purchased sewing machines and furniture for his tailoring shop. Now see, This is derived demand and indirect demand. Why? Because he has shop or company or whatever it is, we are going to purchase few things for production and few things for our office setup, or our our shop setup, company setup. So furniture can be used for interior also, and machine for production. So when goods and in the types of demand, we know that what is derived demand, indirect demand. We want soap, we go directly and we demand it. But for making that soap, whatever things are needed, that is factors of production, land, labor, कुठेतरी जागा पाहिजे, कोणीतरी काम करणार पाहिजे, हे सगळे derived demand आले. So we are going to explain everything in next. Kiran's demand for milk remain unchanged. See, in the types of price elasticity, we have seen perfectly inelastic demand and perfectly elastic. Both are extreme cases. They are theoretical concept. Very rarely we find this type of concept in the salt and life-saving medicines. In short, we can say that in necessities we can find this concept. Here the demand remains the same, she is not reacting to the price. So this is the type of perfectly inelastic demand. Or some students may write only inelastic, that is also okay. At Amulya Cafe, the demand for tea increased by 5% due to 10% rise in the price of coffee. See, cross elasticity, we have 3: positive, negative and 0. Now if you see, they have substitute goods, tea or coffee, Pepsi or Coca-Cola, uh, Good Day or Mari, for example, such type of things are there. We call it as substitute goods. So, and in cross elasticity, when the price of one commodity rises, demand for the price and demand, they show the relationship between price and demand. Price of one commodity and demand of another commodity rises. So you will write cross elasticity of demand, one commodity, it will change in the price of another. And we will write positive also. Why we will write positive also? Because they are substitute goods. So I know the type of cross elasticity. Next, Amar sells 50 dozens of mangoes. Say they are talking about individual supply. Answer can be supply also at individual supply. I feel that I should write individual supply also. I have written concept supply also, and I have written definition or meaning of supply also, what exactly the supply means. But I have added the last line as individual supply because they have given the information about a particular single seller. So I will write individual supply also. Even though you write only supply, that is also okay. Ajay's papad and pickle producing unit incurred expenditure. He has incurred some expenses, machinery, rent, then wages and all. So this is the cost of production. While producing, we incur some costs, we incur some expenses. So when an entrepreneur undertakes an act of production, he has to use various inputs like raw material, labor, capital. He has to make payments for such input. The expenditure incurred on these input is known as cost of production. Remember students, one more thing, you are going to write it as total cost is nothing but TFC plus TVC. Write the long form. I have written over here. Total fixed cost and total variable cost. Write that part also in the answer. Next, Anu Ayurveda produces unique म्हणजे काय की it's a common name, herbal hair oil which has no close substitute. As the word no close substitute has been used, so I will write the answer as monopoly, because we know the definition of monopoly. Mono means single, poly means seller. So whenever monopoly, single firm which has control over the supply of product which has no close substitute. Next, Sunrise Cosmetic Company spends on advertisement, broadcasts on radio, television. They are utilizing different advertisement media. Okay, press, TV, everything. Free samples, to increase the sale. So you will write this concept as selling cost, and this concept comes under monopolistic competition. So whatever selling cost you know about, I have written one line about this feature of this market. There are many sellers who sell the product which are close substitute of each other. Here the selling cost has been incurred because he has to increase the sale, and for increasing sale he uses this different media. Okay. Next, Bombay Stock Exchange has developed Sensex as a stock market index for reflecting the share price of listed companies. See, we have in the types of index number, we have seen the special purpose index. Okay, so special purpose index number are constructed with some specific purpose. Sensex is related to Bombay Stock Exchange. Sensex means sensitive index, and Nifty is related to NSE. Sensex, also called as BSE 30, is the market index consisting of 30 well established and financially sound companies listed on BSE. Next, Agricultural Research Institute constructed an index number to measure changes in the production. See, they are concentrating on the changes in the production. Here price has been not written, so I will write it as a quantity index number. So whatever I know, 1 2 3 lines about the quantity volume index, we have seen in the types of price, quantity, value index, special purpose. It measures changes in the level of output or physical volume of production in the economy. In the above case, Agriculture Research Institute constructed an index number to measure changes in the production of raw cotton in Maharashtra during the period 2015-20. By this, it is finding changes in agriculture production. Next, Manish purchased 100 meters of cotton textile. See, this concept has been is matches with the national income, because you can see that they want to tell us that this is intermediate goods. Okay, so cotton textile is not the final product. I will write the answer as intermediate good. Then whatever I know about intermediate goods, how in final goods approach, we consider only final goods, we ignore this intermediate goods, and in the value added approach we consider value addition. So in that case we consider this intermediate goods. We will write these things. Okay. Next, Sarla, a retired school teacher. This is from national income only again. This is, she's getting monthly pension from the government. See, I have already told you, when you are getting pocket money from your father, that is not, that is income for you, but that is expenses for your family. It is not the addition of any income, even though you feel that you got the money. So this is also one part of as she's getting the pension, it is transfer income, but for the government it is transfer payment, because they are paying, it's one type of expenditure. So we will write what is pension, 1 2 3 lines about the transfer payment, how we treat in national income. We just ignore the national it in the national income. Prakash paid and income tax 62,000. See, he's paying direct tax, so we'll write the concept as direct tax, and it is paid by the taxpayer on his income and property. The burden of tax is borne by the person himself, because in the indirect it is borne to it is transferred to another person, but here the person has to pay the tax himself, he cannot transfer it. So we will write this. Next, Reserve Bank of India has to raise loans for both the central and state government. See, if the bank RBI is raising loan for state and central government, because it is banker to the government. Banker म्हणजे काय, जे गव्हर्नमेंटची कामं करण्यासाठी एक बँक अपॉइंट केलेली असते, ती कायम RBI असते. That's why you will write whatever you have understood banker to the government function, and we will write that. You can take the screenshot of it. AVM Bank provides a demat facility. See, primary functions we know commercial bank, secondary functions we call it as ancillary services. Primary deals with the accepting deposit and giving loans, whereas ancillary functions are demat, internet banking, mobile banking, etc. So we will write this as ancillary services. Then Kerala based company K Jeweler intend to raise 1,000 crores by fresh. See, we know the primary market, we know the secondary market, primary fresh issue, secondary second hand issue. So industrial securities market explanation in the industrial, in the textbook only industrial securities market point has been given. The same explanation you have to write it. They have given everything, what is primary market, secondary market, in that small paragraph. So stock exchange and everything I have covered here, BSE, NSE. Next, Tamil Nadu purchases wheat from Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. See, the Tamil Nadu, the sale is within the country, so we can call it as domestic trade, internal trade, home trade, anything is right. Buying and selling of goods within the boundaries. See, word within the boundaries should be there in your answer. We know that import, export, import. So be specific, write that concept. So now see, Alfonso Mango, many students write foreign trade, international trade, but we know international trade, but we know the type, it is export, as the Maharashtra is selling it to another countries. So whatever you know about the export trade, you will write 1 to 2, that selling goods to another country, outflow of goods and all. Okay, students, here we have finished your question number 2A from your question bank. Now, in the next video, I will talk about the do you agree. Thank you.